Chapter 4 Keyboard Special Keys. Can you identify this picture? Yes, you are right. This is the computer's keyboard. Keyboard is used to type data and give commands to the computer. It has a lot of keys on it. When we press any key on the keyboard, the letter on the key gets typed on the screen. Do you know? Keyboards of today have been developed from the devices like typewriter, teleprinter, and key punch. Keys of keyboard. Alphabet keys. Keys that have a letter on them are called alphabet keys. There are 26 letters or keys on the keyboard. They have been arranged in the typewriter order of olden days. Do you know the first alphabet row contains the letter QWERT? That's why commonly used keyboards of today are called QWERTY keyboards. Number keys. Keys with numbers on them are called number keys. There are 20 number keys on the keyboard. One set of number keys is above the alphabet keys. Another set of numbers is on the right side of the keyboard. This looks like a calculator and is known as the number pad. Do you know the keyboard also has a numlock key? If you press the numlock key, the numbers get locked. The numbers on the numbers pad do not work. To make the numbers work again, press the numlock key once again. Space bar key. This key is used to give space in between two letters, words or numbers. Spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. There is only one spacebar key on the keyboard. Enter key. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. We press enter to move to the next line. Do you know is the symbol of enter key? Caps lock key. When we press the caps lock key, it turns on and a green light appears on the keyboard. When the caps lock key is on, we can type in capital letters. To turn off the caps lock key, press it again. Caps lock key is on. Caps lock key is off. Arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move up, down, left and right. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Arrow keys are also used to play games on the computer. Shift key. Look at the keys colored with yellow. All of them have another character on the upper part. When we press these keys along with the shift key, the upper part is typed. Press G with shift, you will get. When you press shift key along with any alphabet key, the alphabet case changes. Press small s with shift, you will get capital S. Press capital S with shift, you will get small s. Do you know there are 2 shift keys on the keyboard? Shift key helps us use each key in 2 ways. Function keys. The function keys are on the topmost row of the keyboard. There are 12 function keys. They are named as F1, F2, F3, F12. They are used for different tasks. For example, if you press F1 key, the Windows help box will open. For example, F2 can be used to open your favorite game. Tab key helps us to move ahead a few spaces at once. Backspace key. This key is used to erase the last letter typed. Computer. Cursor is after R before backspace. R gets deleted after pressing backspace. Delete key. This key is used to erase the letter typed on the right hand side. Computer. Cursor is before C, before delete. C gets deleted after delete. Do you know control key? Control key is used along with other keys for different tasks. There are 2 control keys. For example, Control and C keys are used together to copy text or pictures. You will learn how to do this later. Alt key. Like the Control key, Alt key is also used with other keys for different tasks. For example, Alt and F4 function key is used to close the opened window. Let us recall. Computer is an electronic machine that runs on our commands. Parts of a computer include monitor, speaker, system unit, mouse and keyboard. Keys of the keyboard include alphabet keys, number keys, arrow keys, space bar, enter keys, function keys, control keys, alt keys, delete key, backspace key, etc.